My name is Kuda Norbu. I'm the son of the late Tatsu Rinpoche, the elder brother of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. After retiring from Indiana University, my father devoted himself fully to the Tibetan cause, helping establish the International Tibet Independence Movement and leading freedom walks across this country. From my family, Rongzhen, Tibet's independence has been a lifelong generational commitment carried through the action, sacrifice, and many miles on the road. My father and His Holiness did not always share the same political path for Tibet, but they never allowed that difference to become division. They respected and trusted one another and remained united by their love for Tibet. They showed us that Rongzhen and Yumelam supporters can disagree on strategy without turning against each other. Other difference must never become greater than our responsibility to Tibet. After my father passed away, the torch was carried forward by my young brother, Jigme Norbu, who led Walk Across the World. In 2011, Jigme lost his life during a Rongzhen walk in Florida. I joined his sons to complete the walk and carry forward the legacy. Since then, I have continued walking because the struggle for Tibet's independence does not end with one life or one generation. Through those walks, I met Loga. He became more than a fellow activist. He became a close friend and a brother in the struggle. We walked together from Washington, D.C. to 2013, spending long walks on the road and long nights talking about Tibet, our people, in Rongzhen. Lobo is a hero of Tibet in the Rongzhen movement, and his final message was clear. The lack of independence is the root cause of our problems. The sacrifice now stands alongside more than 170 Tibetans who have self-immolated for Tibet. Their sacrifices demand more than remembrance. They demand that we carry the struggle forward with courage, clarity, and determination. Today, standing before the Chinese consulate after joining the Peace Walk for Free Tibet for its final leg, I feel that legacy alive. We came from different generations, different ages, and different walks of life, but we have walked together for Tibet. Thank you, Mayor Dorji Gelapala, Rupka, Tenzin Norbu, and every volunteer who carried this walk forward. Every mile from Minnesota to Chicago is proof that the Tibetan struggle remains alive and unbroken. I'm grateful to every Tibetan who have refused to let the demand for Tibetan's independence die. Standing with all you today, one truth is undeniable. After 7 decades of occupation and repression, the CCP has failed to raise Tibet or a demand for freedom. We must continue speaking and acting for Tibet, guided by His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and strengthened by the sacrifice of Pawa, Logo Ramzan, and all those who gave everything for our country. I want to close with the words of my father, words that carry even greater meaning standing here today before the Chinese consulate. From the start to the last breath, never forget our country, Tibet. It was never part of China. Be proud of who you are. I'm a Tibetan. Hail Gelo!
Hey Jalo!
Hail Ramzan Gelo!
Hey Ramzan Jalo!
Victory of Tibet's independence!
Victories of Tibet
Long
independence!
live the Dalai Lama!
Long live Dalai Lama!